My initial reaction. Wait lang. Hello, hi everybody. Hope you guys are having fun this afternoon. Okay, my initial reaction was, kaya ko ba yun? Just because I never played a role na priest. I mean, it was mostly romantic, di ba? Like, Pulang Araw. I mean, Pulang Araw was heavy drama. And then, Maria Clara naman historical din na medyo rom-com, maging sino ka man action. And then now, priest. So, ang challenge dito is how do I make it still entertaining despite my role na obviously, if you're a priest, you would think na relax lang, timid, hindi ba? So yun naging challenge ko talaga, like how do I still make it entertaining? Yeah.
Playing the role of Deacon, ano yung mga realizations mo or reflection mo, yung mga natutunan mo?
What I learned is, I think in life, it is okay to commit mistakes as long as you learn how to learn from your mistakes, and then eventually hindi mo na siya gagawin ulit. So I think it's always better to like know kung bakit mo siya nagawa, and then from there you learn from it, and eventually for sure hindi mo na siya gagawin in the future.
Thank you. Congratulations.